Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS RC P-51 Mustang Redtail is a premium remote control warbird aircraft designed for adult enthusiasts and experienced RC pilots. With an impressive 1,700 mm (66.9-inch) wingspan, this 6-channel, 6ch model faithfully replicates the iconic World War II P-51 Mustang, specifically the Redtail variant flown by the Tuskegee Airmen. This RC aircraft comes in a P&P, plug-and-play, configuration, meaning it includes most essential electronics, motor, ESC, servos, and LED lighting, but does not include a transmitter, receiver, battery, or charger, allowing pilots to customize their setup. Constructed from durable EPO foam, the P-51 Mustang features functional flaps, electronic retractable landing gear, and navigation LEDs, offering a realistic flying experience and visual flair during flight. The aircraft is designed for powerful performance with a brushless motor and an efficient ESC system that supports agile maneuvers and stable cruising. The large wingspan ensures excellent lift and smooth gliding, while the flaps enhance slow-speed control and scale-like takeoffs and landings. The retractable landing gear adds to the model's scale authenticity and makes it easy to take off and land on paved runways. With its high-quality build and realistic details like a molded pilot figure, painted Redtail livery, and propeller spinner, this plane is ideal for warbird collectors and advanced RC flyers seeking both aesthetics and performance. Ideal for experienced pilots, the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail delivers immersive and thrilling flights. However, due to its size, speed, and control complexity, it is not suitable for beginners. This warbird offers a fantastic combination of history, detail, and RC engineering, making it a standout in any RC hangar. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc Sport Cub RC Plane is a beginner-friendly 4-channel remote control airplane designed for kids, adults, and first-time flyers. With a 500 mm, 19.7-inch wingspan, it's compact, lightweight, and perfect for learning the basics of RC flight. This model comes in a ready-to-fly RTF package, meaning it includes everything needed to fly right out of the box: transmitter, battery, and charger, making it an ideal entry-level aircraft. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the Sport Cub offers smooth, stable flight performance, greatly reducing the learning curve for new pilots. The 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow users to progress at their own pace. In beginner mode, the plane self-levels and limits bank angles, helping prevent crashes. As pilots gain confidence, they can unlock greater control in intermediate and expert modes. The 4-channel control system provides rudder, elevator, throttle, and aileron inputs, allowing for realistic flight maneuvers. Its prop-saver design protects the propeller during minor crashes, minimizing damage and maintenance costs, ideal for novice users. The durable EPP foam construction also adds crash resistance, extending the plane's longevity. Despite its small size, the Sport Cub handles light outdoor winds well and can fly in backyards, parks, or open fields. Its bright red color and sleek design enhance visibility and make it easy to track during flight. Overall, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is a well-balanced RC trainer airplane that offers excellent value, ease of use, and room to grow for beginners. Whether you're a child learning to fly or an adult new to the hobby, this plane makes the perfect first step into the world of RC aviation. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane, BNF Basic, is a versatile and easy-to-fly model designed for intermediate to experienced pilots. With a 1.5-meter wingspan, this bind-and-fly, BNF, Basic airplane comes equipped with AS3X technology and Safe Select to enhance flight stability and control, making it easier for pilots to manage in various conditions. Note, the transmitter, battery, and charger are sold separately, allowing for customization of the radio system. The AS3X technology uses built-in sensors to stabilize the airplane, reducing the effects of wind and turbulence and providing smoother, more predictable flight behavior. This is particularly beneficial for pilots who want to experience advanced flight performance without worrying about external factors. SAFE select further aids by offering 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing pilots to choose the level of assistance they need. In beginner mode, the plane helps prevent dangerous over-control, while expert mode provides full control for skilled pilots. This model is built for durability with a lightweight yet sturdy construction, ensuring resilience during landings and potential mishaps. The floats included make it suitable for flying on water, expanding the range of environments where pilots can enjoy their flying experience. The Turbo Timber 1.5M features a powerful brushless motor, capable of performing a wide variety of aerobatic maneuvers, including loops, rolls, and inverted flight. Its large control surfaces offer precise responsiveness, allowing pilots to execute tight turns and smooth transitions. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M is a great choice for those looking for a highly versatile, durable, and enjoyable RC airplane with the option to grow into more advanced flying skills. However, as it requires separate components like a transmitter and battery, it is geared towards those who are ready for a bit more setup and customization. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane Remote Control FX803 is a 2-channel, 2.4G remote control airplane designed for both beginners and experienced users, including kids and adults. It's equipped with a built-in 6-axis gyro, which ensures stable flight, making it ideal for first-time pilots. This feature helps the plane maintain balance, even during turns and loops, minimizing the risk of crashes, making it user-friendly for newcomers to the world of RC flying. Constructed from EPP foam, a durable yet lightweight material, the aircraft is designed to withstand bumps and minor crashes, making it perfect for outdoor play and training. The foam also gives the plane a good amount of flexibility, ensuring it can take a beating without sustaining serious damage. The lightweight construction also contributes to better maneuverability and longer flight times. The plane operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, which minimizes interference from other devices, ensuring a stable connection and seamless control over the plane. The 2-channel control system allows users to manage basic functions such as throttle and steering, which is sufficient for learning how to fly. Additionally, the FX803 glider provides a smooth flying experience due to its simple controls and stable performance. The glider is also designed to be easily controlled by users of all ages, from kids to adults, making it an accessible option for a wide range of users. In summary, the Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is an excellent entry-level RC plane, offering stable flight, durability, and easy handling. It's a great choice for anyone looking to explore the world of RC planes, whether they are beginners or those looking for a fun and stress-free flying experience. Number 5. LeanB Remote Control Aircraft. The LeanB Remote Control Aircraft Plane is an easy-to-fly RC plane designed for both adults and kids. It offers a user-friendly experience, making it suitable for beginners as well as more experienced RC enthusiasts. The plane comes with 3 flight modes, allowing users to adjust the controls based on their skill level. These modes include options for slower, more stable flight for beginners, and faster, more responsive controls for those with more experience, ensuring a customizable and enjoyable flying experience. One of the standout features of the LeanB RC plane is its ability to make easy U-turns, which enhances maneuverability. This function is particularly helpful for beginners who may struggle with controlling a plane during flight. The intuitive controls allow users to make smooth turns, even when flying in tight spaces, without feeling overwhelmed. The plane is built with durable materials, ensuring that it can withstand crashes and minor impacts, which is essential for newcomers learning to pilot an RC aircraft. Its lightweight construction further aids in its stability, helping the plane stay steady during flight and reducing the chances of accidents. This also makes it easier to control in the air, providing a less stressful experience for first-time users. In terms of power, the Leambe RC Plane offers good battery life, allowing for extended playtime before needing a recharge. The responsive remote control, with its reliable connection, ensures precise control over the plane during flight. Overall, the LeanB remote control aircraft plane is an excellent choice for families and beginners. Its 3-mode functionality, easy U-turn capability, and durable build make it a fun and accessible way to start flying RC planes, offering hours of entertainment for users of all ages.